Hello everyone, so today in this video I am going to share how to create WhatsApp business ID. So firstly open WhatsApp business. Now tap on agree and continue. Now use a different number. Now enter your phone number to verify. Tap on next. Tap on OK. Now enter the OTP. Okay, now tap on continue. Enter your business name. Now select the category. Okay, now tap on next. Tap on use. Okay, so here you can create a catalog. So tap on get started. Now add new item to create your catalog. So now go back. Here you can see that your business ID has been created. Okay, thank you for watching this video.